Happy April. Are you ready for tax season? At No Research, we are as ready as we can be. We've recently completed a couple of different projects all around tax prep and tax planning. Most recently, we got to work with Prepare and Prosper. They're a Minnesota based nonprofit that helps families in their community with tax preparation services. And they came to us because there is a new Minnesota child tax credit that went into effect for this tax season. And they knew families in their communities would have questions. They wanted to find out about awareness of the program and understanding of the program and any barriers that there might be for families to take advantage of this new tax credit. So we did a multi-phase project that started with discussion boards, went through a phase of interviews, and culminated in this fantastic collaborative directions workshop with the team at Prepare and Prosper, as well as some of their community partner organizations. And the outcome was really an understanding around how to communicate about the credit. And that culminated in an amazing media campaign that's getting a lot of attention these days that is really helping demystify this new credit. So that was so exciting to be able to give back and help out. But what came out of that also was a lot of information about education needs when it comes to personal finances and taxes. And that triangulates quite nicely with a project that we did in conjunction with students at University of San Francisco. And they were tasked to understand tax prep and planning mindset and journey for millennial and Gen Z. People need education. They need sources they can trust to help navigate the tax journey. So between those two studies, we discovered four commonalities about the tax journey and about tax education needs that we think any company in the financial services space would benefit from hearing. We heard about a shared sense of uncertainty that no matter who you are, you have some uncertainty about what you are allowed to do, what you should do, what are best practices for you during tax season. We also heard about a need for trusted guidance. Even the millennial and Gen Z participants still wanted to talk to a human, still felt more confident about the decisions that they were making when filing their return if they had a human advisor to help them out. And we found out that taxpayers, regardless of age or income, need clearer, more accessible tax education. We've got a list of the type of education we recommend companies looking into providing on the blog itself. So definitely take a look through there because there could be an inspiring thought starter that you and your team could dive into. So if you're curious about how people are preparing for taxes in 2025, we have resources. Check out our white paper, our blog. So please reach out if any of our materials spark any curiosity and interest, and you want to have a further conversation about how to understand customers around this time period with their personal finances and their tax planning needs. Thank you so much.